Let's go, it's time for a bath. Walking to the tub, let's hurry, no lag. Rubber duck is waiting, bubbles all around. Splish, splash, hear that sound. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Scrub a dub, make them grand. Wash, wash, wash your face. Soapy bubbles every place.
Jump right in, let's have some fun. Splish and splash, we're almost done. Soap and water, nice and clean. Bubbles pop, oh what a scene.
Wash, wash, wash your arms. Rub a dub, it does no harm. Wash, wash, wash your toes. Scrub a dub, now touch your nose. Soap goes on, rub it in. Legs and tummy, don't forget to grin. Now we rinse, the water flows. Clean and fresh from head to toes. Wrap up warm, towel so tight. All fresh and ready, feeling bright. Now it's time to say goodnight. Bye-bye friends, sleep so tight. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chow Nursery.